on top of your ogbonge program as e dey hot. Wetin we carry come na another smoking hot topic. Wetin we dey discuss today na PVC, wetin dem dey call permanent voters card, and CRV, continuous voters registration. Wetin we dey discuss on top of the program today na how the INEC, that's the Independent National Electoral Commission, and their oga kpatakpata Professor Atahiru Jega don succeed with the distribution of permanent voters card, and how Nigerians take reason the matter, plus the small issues wey we dey hear from some different states inside this Obodo Nigeria. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern this matter.
Yes, our beautiful viewers, my name na Nkubi, and this na As E Dey Hot.
Make una no forget, say una fit join us, because na discussion la continua on top of Facebook, Twitter, and our website. Nkubi,
yes,
you don hear wetin we dey discuss, wetin we carry come today. How you take reason the matter?
Na another morning we don enter, so.
Before nko na afternoon we dey. Go straight to the point.
Wetin dey there we say, permanent or no permanent voters card. Shey you go give us guarantee say our election go dey free and fair. Shey rigging no go dey there.
You see,
well, the thing we say, we are still dey talk. Look, in
this
talk
slow. This matter na matter wey we dey discuss as e dey hot.
The cart before the horse. E get other things wey we suppose look into. We go also make sure say yes, we don really checkmate ourselves to make sure say this election go well the way we want am. So in this case, na the horse suppose come before waiting the cart.
We nobody dey talk or nobody dey talk us here.
To tell you say English dey my mouth.
This na wrong expression. Nothing concern us and nothing concern cart for wetin we dey discuss. We dey discuss permanent voters card and continuous voters registration. You dey call us, you dey call card. See, you dey try. See, e just be like say you dey boot. You dey try recover from wetin I don do you all this week.
Talk wetin you go talk.
Simple. Our people wey dey house when they watch us, this thing dey very simple. You know, permanent voters card na the best thing wey be say don happen to this country since bread and beans. You know why I talk so? Because Professor Atahiru Jega, the man sabi book. The man don look all the kind things wey dey happen for inside this Obodo Naija, come see say one way wetin we dey call panacea to do wetin, to take eradicate, I dey speak English o, to comot all these problems wey we dey face when e come to election, na to issue permanent voters card. Because normally if people go for election, they will complain say my face no dey there, my name no dey there. Now with permanent voters card, e go comot wetin, e go eliminate the chances of wetin, rigging and electoral fraud. You can't come here now, come dey tell me say us, they put card. Wetin we dey talk na permanent voters card.
Permanent or no permanent voters card, shey na im be the guarantee? Make we first tell ourselves some good truth. Look,
you don dey pause.
Wait, now
you dey pause.
See,
you no get point. Look.
No, wait. I wait.
Talk. No, they ask me wetin dey worry me.
One of the chairman of this political parties wey dey on ground, Balabe Musa, come ask us. Say, come dey tell Nigerians, say, look, shey permanent voters card, shey na im be the only solution. On top of the ground, say INEC wey dey call Independent National Electoral Commission.
Everybody know say na INEC. Go straight to your point. INEC.
Men I dey stress on the word independent. Independent. Then they independent.
Then they independent.
Then they independent.
Then they independent.
Who they sponsor INEC?
Simple. This matter. They not even go.
Wait, one no go there. No, they tell me I no go there.
Now they tell you.
Federal government. So no, they tell me say me I no they go there.
Which one be make I know? Which one be?
I they tell you. So how independent then they?
This is very simple.
So now when they fear people with this?
You go allow me explain. I go allow you only you dey talk for this show, because you just be like saying na only you. Independent National Electoral Commission, na law establish them and then spell out their activities. Now, if who you want make it sponsor them? If not be the government, where they control the funds and all the resources. See, all these excuses about an Independent National Electoral Commission, they know they're independent. It not go work. It not go work. What would they discuss here now? Permanent voters card. So for talk through now, why they behave like this?
They mention, okay, may I tell you, how strong our security day?
What did they ask me about? Why
no, how strong our security day for election matter?
Why?
Look, over the years, we don't get cases of waiting where people they do it, they snatch ballot boxes.
What did that one get to do with permanent voters card? What did get to do with permanent voters card?
We they talk about the state, if they bring them from the angle of say permanent voters card go give us this.
He go check.
What do they stress on? Shey rigging no go dey.
Not the stress on. Stress on your own. I stress on my own.
I tell you, I have to
not the time. Say we drop question permanent voters card.
Permanent voters card. See, we never address the issue of security. Security na be the ogbonge thing wey we suppose dey look to. How prepared INEC don dey to handle security matter?
100% prepared.
No dey tell me 100%. Wetin don put in ground?
Nkubi, calm down.
Wetin don put in ground?
Calm down. You know say you start with small now you don dey shout. Calm down because you don dey shout now. Now I go speak English. You see, e get wetin people dey call malignant tumor.
Forget all these things wey dey give me.
Not the first for
me.
me.
They use time wey people go dey understand. Leave all these things.
If you I know and you don't know, not be my fault o. Malignant tumor na something wey be say e don get root. Oyibo people dey call am e don dey embedded in the system. INEC dey start from somewhere. Professor Atahiru Jega, this man sabi book. The man don look the matter say one way of uprooting this malignant tumor na to go from the under and where e start from permanent voters card. If your face dey the card, another person no fit use am. You understand what I'm trying to tell you?
This angle dey bring, I will still catch you. But you see the way because you fit say permanent voters card na be the only solution. But I go still catch you. But wetin I still talk say wetin me still dey stress on na security because we don hold elections this year so far. And wetin be the security level for the election? No, tell me now.
I make I tell you. You ask me. You say make I tell you. You say make no tell me. You say make I tell you. Say you want tell me.
Na me get the ground.
You say make I tell you. Which ground you get? Which floor?
Na me get the floor. May I talk? See, the election wey happen for Ekiti State. How secured was the election?
Free and fair. They don't slap one single person.
No, tell me say
they don't slap one single person.
How come the governor, the former governor of the state, the state, Fayemi,
because he lose the election.
Officer, no, even before the election.
Because he lose the election.
Officer come dey threaten and say, look, who you be, Mr. Governor? Who you be? Where election never even come up, oh? Chukudi, make we tell ourselves, make we address security matter.
You see, yesterday
because they mention permanent, as if now go solve now go bring answer to the whole problem.
You see the problem. You see, remember I said I tell you this thing yesterday. Don't be an alarmist.
Alarmist, so they use terms for me. No, they use terms for me.
You don't know him. You know me say I know. You know me say I no go use that. See the truth. Me say if they do something that we go complain. Say these people they not do well. Oh, they don't start from somewhere. They don't complain. You don't talk of security. Remember I say for Ekiti State this year. I go this year for Ekiti State and for Osun State elections. Since we don't get elections for this country, dating as far back as 1999, 2003, 2007, 2011, one complaint they always they come. They say violence for election, violence. Our Oga Presido sit down. He talks to Professor Atahiru Jega, you sabi book. I give you the free hand. Atahiru Jega come look and say, sir, we need this and this and this and this to ensure say we get security. And he say collect them. Why they carry security people go there? Now una follow for the people when they shout say, hey, no, this is not the people. Allow me to talk my point finish.
Wait. No, they tell me
allow me to talk my point finish. You follow for the people when we say, I remember, me and you they shout. Me and you.
You and who?
Me and you.
No, they point me.
No, they tell me.
No, they point me. No, they point me.
No, they threaten me. Make I talk. You follow for people when they shout, say, hey, how we go do this thing? Why they go pack security people? This is not the period of war. Now you can't remember saying I mean they speak English. This is not the period of war. Now we don't get. I assure you, say permanent voters card. Now the panacea we go guarantee free and fair election for inside this country. You don't collect your own. May we start from there.
Chukudi,
you don't collect your own.
As a good citizen of this country, I don't collect my own. But not be I still insist not being with the answer. Look, even the permanent voters card they talk about. Look, how guaranteed the day? You want them to say we know if you get multiple registration on top of this permanent voters card.
You don't do, calm down. We go rush enter market now. If camera go for Nkubi face, you go see say he don't sweat for different places. He even they sweat on top of his nose. Now to show say the topic they hot. And my point they shake and well. When we rush enter market, come back. Una remember say una go fit join us on top of Facebook, Twitter, and our website. We dey discuss this permanent voters card and continuous voters registration when INEC don't drop for down. Say now one way when we say we go fit checkmate electoral mago inside this Obodo Naija. We dey come back.
Welcome back. And the program now as it dey hot. And what we dey talk about today? We dey look the permanent voters card matter, and then we dey try one this time around. Now Chukudi don't look at from different angle. Chukudi they tell me say with this development, say waiting, say election go at least go well. True. But me I still make I understand say there are other angles we will never address. Well, we go from that angle. Carry am enter what you call the name of that thing.
Continuous voters registration.
Thank
you very much.
Yes, Chukudi. You still feel say on this same ground say things go still go well. Oya tell me. Now here I still wan catch you.
Wait oh.
I wan catch you. Go enter.
Not they talk about catch. The same right wey you get, na him me I get.
Go
the way when you dey try dey push question to me, they tell me say you go catch me. No dey command me, I will go ahead. Simple, this matter dey very very simple. You see, we dey always dey get one problem for this country. Many of us go sit back, we sabi how to criticize. We go sit back, they look say, e no go work, e no fit work, it will never work, without even first trying am out. Last week, Friday, on the 7th of November, to be precise, the governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola, in wisdom, you see people wey sabi book, I like how they do. No, calm down. He declared public holiday to civil servants. Say make people go do wetin. People wey be say, you never register, go register. You never collect your car, go collect your car. Wetin many Nigerians do? Some begin dey travel. People dey post, say, oh, hashtag long weekend, hashtag going to my village. Some people dey go village. You sef, I no see you. I no say you comot.
Where I comot go?
Why they ask me?
Leave that thing.
You collect your permanent voter's card.
You dey mention this thing. Wait, no, wetin you be talk earlier? Say you be mention. You be take one example, give and this thing. Tell our viewers say people go dey complain say names dey missing and pictures.
But you know they again.
But wait,
we don't solve the problem.
With this recent development wey INEC say they carry come.
Yes.
Look, how many? Wetin be the record of this wey they register last election?
Why you go dey ask? Why you go dey ask me?
6.something million Lagosians. Now they register for the last election. But this one wey they just carry come, how many people they register? 4.something million people.
Simple.
Wait,
mathematics. Mathematics. Arithmetic.
We can't they get like 1.4 million. Where they missing? Where make Lagosians they cry? They protest. They look. We not go agree. We never see our name.
Which Lagosians they protest?
They tell me people wey protest.
Few. Thank you. Few.
Hold on.
You talk few. You say Lagosians. You talk few. You say Lagosians.
Now this same thing they bring about missing names. Now this same thing they bring about missing pictures. For election matter,
simple.
I can't tell you say these people, since you no go give them the right to vote, you go tell them say the election will go free.
Not make mistake, oh. Not make mistake.
People wey their name no dey, how they go get the right to vote?
You don't talk one, talk two, talk three. Allow me
go
to.
Ahead,
thank you. Make I counter you. This is very very simple. See, we will always have challenges.
Challenges.
Yes. We go face challenges. We go face lapses. It very very. See, some people there when we say they no want make all the idea when Professor Atai, the man wey sabi book, Professor Atai Rujega, all the idea when they bring, they no want make it work. Not be spirits they do this thing. Now human beings like me and you, this is simple arithmetic, mathematics. Now for 2011, they say 6 million plus people now they register. For 2014, then they talk say now 4 million plus. INEC don't explain why the thing be so. And a simple logic.
Why?
Now they ask me why.
No, now they talk. Why?
Allow me to talk. Oh, no, they. If I they talk, no, they cut me. Come they ask me why. Why you go cut me? They ask me question. And they laugh.
Make you see. Make you bear in mind. Say nobody in Lagos State they complain this about. Ogun State they come out they cry say look names they missing names they missing. Edo State they come out they cry say names they missing. And these people are Nigerians so supposed they eligible to vote.
What do they have in common? What do they have in common?
Forget what they have in common. Not what they talk about.
Make I talk.
If at the end of the day they come out come say they won't come vote, they no come see their names. You can't tell them say INEC don't succeed for their work.
You see what you know what they invest me for this way they talk now.
Oh, waiting.
It does see I go see.
You want come out cap again?
No, calm down.
You want come out cap for me again?
I see say you dey under pressure. Calm down. See, these people get something in common. Okay. They get something in common. You know what they talk.
I don't know. Talk.
You know. Now, these people, wey we say belong to one particular this thing.
Good.
No, they tell me say good. No, they tell me say good. They belong to one particular this thing. Now only them. Now this thing don't happen for different parts of the country.
Why you go be seeing only them?
And
they ask you to. Why you go be seeing only them?
Because of say them follow for the people wey say they no wan ensure they wan spoil the work.
Ask the ruling party why you go be seeing only them. The ruling party go ask them why you go be seeing only this same state of this state wey you don mention they affected by this.
Na only them get two heads.
Wetin you dey talk?
See, there is sabotage.
Wetin you dey talk?
There is sabotage in this. There is sabotage. You know why I say there is sabotage? Why e be say na for only this particular part of the country na we dey hear say our names no complete o our things no dey. Other people no dey complain.
Wait.
No. Ask yourself that question.
Talk to other people. A typical example na Anambra State election wey happen last year.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Last year, people no come and cry say their names dey missing.
Permanent voters card. Permanent voters card. This is a new dimension.
A new dimension.
This na innovation when they don't bring in. How you go come here they tell me say people they complain. Listen, see me sef I agree. You see you know what?
Wait, hold on. Wait. You get what now give you?
Not give me anything. Not give me anything.
Take clean your face.
Wait, now you need that. Take am. Simple. This is very very simple. Now we go rush enter market come back you see say if you bring out a hanky.
na you need am na dey give you.
Hanky no go even fit help Nkubi for this situation na towel we go tell producer make he carry towel come because you need mop.
Carry us go where you wan go.
Calm down. When we rush enter market come back we go take wetin people don talk from house on top of our Facebook, on top of our Twitter, and on top of our website. Remember say this na the program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body as e dey hot. E dey hot well for Nkubi.
E dey also hot.
Make we rush come back. You know na you dey hot for. See you dey sweat.
Yes, welcome back. The program na as e dey hot, and we don enter the fireback segment where we go look into the messages wey our viewers don send from house. And then the first message wey I wan read there na message wey Adewumi send. Adewumi dey talk say look say government don try for this matter say at least for them to do wetin for them to initiate the voters the permanent voters card. Say
Adewumi.
at least dem try.
Adewumi na your mama born you.
Adewumi if you dey lis ten to me.
You don read wetin dey talk you wan dey warn am.
Adewumi if you dey lis ten to me if you dey watch us abeg government see I dey try tell you as this thing be.
He dey try tell you say.
See voters card permanent voters card no be him be the only solution other angles dey wey we never address.
He dey warn am Adewumi don talk
so
na
abeg you go.
He don do make I take wetin Okechukwu talk. I go find am okay e plenty when people dey talk for here well I go find am Okechukwu talk say many Nigerians dey show voter apathy voter apathy na the one wey be say people no dey interested in voting and e dey encourage people to come out to come collect their permanent voters card and believe say the thing go work.
You go blame this person?
No.
You go blame them?
Because he know Nigerians. He know Nigerians.
You go blame them because
Nigerians.
in the past Nigeria our leaders never get am right. Shey why they no go dey discouraged?
We will start from somewhere.
Why they no go dey discouraged? Now wetin dem tell us 4 years ago be that o.
We never see improvement. You never see changes.
Now wetin dem tell us 4 years ago be that.
Wait. See 1999 we record some kind problems 2003 we record 2007 improvement day 2011 improvement day and I dey assure you
improvement day
gradual process.
Now we don dey see the signs of improvement from this year elections wey we don even conduct.
Ekiti election go where Ekiti election yes.
Anambra state election
e go where
Osun state election
e go where
for your own mind
for you know the time you know dey read newspaper
for your own mind
you know dey hear news you know dey read newspaper you know dey hear news you know dey read newspaper
tell me that one
no dey tell me say make I no tell you that one Adu make I collect this one from Aduni hey Aduni dey back me up Aduni God bless you anywhere where you dey back me up continue because me I get point I just dey give Nkubi dey Aduni talk say okay e be like say
your eyes that guy say make take this thing clean face you know they see that thing well again and this glasses wey e be like say they confuse you comot the glass make you see am well.
no talk enter wetin my dressing no talk e be like say Aduni dey talk on that thing wetin no concern you say mowu Omowumi talk say INEC don try well and na Nigerians na him dey take their hand spoil am you see simple I don tell you people now people like you now una no go gree una sit down well
see listen look this one
look wetin sit down well
Suleiman dey talk say look say all these things wey government dey do unto say they dey try improve election still na lie o say na dem know wetin they dey do still na dem in the end they go still do am the way they dey do am.
Talk true.
Chukwudi, see am Suleiman dey talk.
Na Suleiman, na you talk, not be Suleiman. You just not be you too.
Check am there, you go see am for this thing. No time that one.
No contact this thing. Now we know say now we dey talk this thing, but we be Nigerian. No call allow this.
I know they fight with you.
No let am change because you know when you always dey talk to me for this program. People I dey carry point. You know they
come. You dey make me vex.
Okay, our Nigeria people, we go come again with ogbonge topic to make una chook mouth on top as e dey hot. Make una look Nkubi well una go see say in the sweat in the shake the chair don dey shake we go gas fix the chair until we come back again next week make una remember say Nigeria na our country e no go spoil e go better for me and you two of us go join hand together and work to ensure say this our country go well. Nkubi tell people bye bye make we dey go.
Our viewers na don hear Chukwudi until Karando ogbonge matters come na way again to next week. From all of us we say make na continue to do it make na continue to watch Wazobia TV. Chukwudi see me I no go still agree with you because I think
you don tell them bye bye you dey face me again no dey give me.